Okay, together we're going to see whether your favorite Marvel hero can bring order to a chaotic world. That's what we're kind of testing here. So let me just show you the cards here and you kind of see how they're mixed. Okay, do you see any pattern there or anything that looks suspicious? Let's see. Everything's fairly well mixed there as far as I can tell. Okay, so let's gather these up. Okay, so what we're going to do for this little test is we're going to spell out Marvel card magic. M-A-R-V-E-L-C-A-R-D-M-A-G-I-C. Marvel card magic. Okay. Now, since we're working with Marvel heroes here, not the villains, I'm going to go ahead and just spell out Marvel heroes. M-A-R-V-E-L, Marvel, H-E-R-O-E-S, Marvel heroes. Okay? And now I need you to tell me, who is your favorite Marvel hero? Wanda? Wanda Maximoff? Okay, okay. That's great. That's not one you hear every day. Okay, so Wanda, very good. W-A-N-D-A. Make sure I spell her name correct. You can check me here. M-A-X-I-M-O-F-F. I believe that's how her name is spelt. Wanda Maximoff. Okay. And now to kind of test her ability to bring order to a chaotic world, I'm going to spell out your favorite, because apparently she's your favorite hero. So Y-O-U-R, your favorite, F-A-V-O-R-I-T-E, your favorite. Okay, and so let's see if we can spell Wanda Maximoff correctly a second time. So and that's who your favorite one was, right? So Wanda, W-A-N-D-A, okay, Maximoff, M-A-X-I-M-O, slide these over, F-F. I think I spelled that correctly. Very good. I think she has brought order to a chaotic world. Don't you? In fact, just out of interest, what is the next card? Well, it's certainly not putting anything in order, is it, that next card? So I'm glad that her name doesn't have one more letter in it. Otherwise, everything would have gone awry here. So yes, I can think we can add her to the list of Marvel heroes who truly can bring order to a chaotic world. And that's why she's a favorite hero among many. Okay, so quickly, how is this done? Well, you just follow the instructions here and all is well. Okay, so how this works is you begin with these cards as listed at the very top of the deck, just like that. Okay, I had them at the top. Okay, so if you remember, I actually spread out the cards, is what I did, to kind of show the spectator. So the thing to do here is, now we really don't want the top 15 cards to be spread out, you know, really well. So what I did was I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, I kind of broke off just a few kind of while talking and jogged them out just a little bit before I actually began the spreading. And then you just kind of spread them out, and you can kind of push them out a little bit here, like that. And the spectator is probably going to, you know, look at the overall pattern, go, well, yeah, I don't see any obvious order there, right? Okay. And then you can just collect those up when in fact you've kind of preserved those 15 cards at the top. If it weren't for this silly piece of paper in the way, I could pick those up a little better. Okay, so let me just show you that we haven't heard anything regarding our top 15 cards. They're where they need to be. Okay, and then from there you just follow the steps. You spell out Marvel card magic, and then now the COAT stands for count out and transfer, and that just means put a card down for each letter and then drop the rest on top. Okay, So you can, and then after that, you kind of spell out Marvel heroes in the way that I did. You ask for the spectator's favorite hero. It ends up, it doesn't matter what hero they state. And then you spell out or quote the phrase, your favorite. And then from there, you can just deal out, like Wanda, because this is really where we would be. We'd have the cards back in order again after these other steps. So you'd spell out Wanda Maximoff, and you would find that the exact number of letters in her name will put the cards in order. And what's wonderful about her name is it actually has 13 letters in it. So isn't that wonderful? So we actually get Ace of Hearts through the King of Hearts. So very, very orderly. So that's how this particular Marvel card magic routine was performed. Thank you for watching.